box today, pretty crude setup. Variac ammeter, 60 amps, and a coil from the vacuum cleaner, coiled extension lead. So we can burn it out. It's only 24 volt source, so I'll see if it works or not. And I try to maximize the smoke by playing with the current a bit. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, we got some smoke there. I like to maximize it, so I'll be reducing the current as required. 50 ampere. How much smoke this thing is going to make today. I don't want to burn it out, it's too fast, so I'll just tease it a bit. Going quite well. Boah, that stinks. Good smoker. The Variac at 170 volts and about 3.5 ampere. It's gone open circuit. Has stopped off, so something is internally gone faulty. It's quite massive, the smoke. Top window off, get a bit more smoke out. Ventilation. Smoke tornado. Oh, I should close the door in the carriage. Oh, fuck, this stinks. Oh, lethal. Well, that's about it. Let's have a look at the carnage. Ah, it's all melted. That's soft. PVC, blue, brown. Copper linings. It's been pretty hot. The jumper held even. I soldered that across the two terminals there. That's what happens when a vacuum cleaner lead is overloaded. Thanks for watching.